Okay.
and these are all looking like they impact the earlier shift in sex hormones in the body. The first one is a whole bunch of endocrine disrupting chemicals. These are chemicals that change the way hormones rise and fall and work inside the body. There are 1,000 of them. And there was just a study a few months ago that looked at one called musk amberette. That was the first one that was directly connected to earlier onset of puberty. So there's endocrine disrupting hormones that will definitely in 5 or 10 years be part of the definitive answer.
Are we getting that in our Mountain Dew or something? Or is it like, where is that environment?
No, in cosmetics.
Oh, interesting.
It's
okay.
it's a cheap way to put fragrance. It's like a chemical version of musk.
Okay, gotcha.
And it's a cheap way of putting fragrance into cosmetics. And so it's been literally shown to cause GnRH to tell the pituitary gland to send LH and FSH down to the gonads. So it is like and it's already been banned in Europe, but it's still legal in the United States.
And then what are the other two buckets, Cara, you were mentioning?
The second bucket is antibiotics, not the antibiotics you get for strep throat or an ear infection, but antibiotics that are given to poultry and cattle that wind up in our food chain, and they do impact the agricultural produce in and around them as well, because those animals are getting a lot of antibiotics and then shedding a lot of these microorganisms that have been exposed to and might be resistant to antibiotics. The science there is pretty messy, but basically antibiotic exposure in these feed animals then causes inflammation in the gut, which seems to trigger puberty a little bit earlier.